hear them. Oh, while you're on the phone, I call me and ask who do your makeup.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video today. So I don't want to spend so much time in the intro. I am going to be creating this beautiful brown smoky eye fall inspired look. I do want to apologize, my lighting was a bit off. I was filming when the sun was going down, so it got a bit weird. I tried to fix it, but yeah. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue to watch. But first, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, like, comment, share, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so getting right into it, I'm going to start with my eyes first. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I used the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. This is in the shade 315 Deep Brown. I actually really like this stuff. I was using the Benefits, my brow, one of their things, and to be honest, it's nice, but I actually prefer the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I really like it. So, and then to clean up my brows, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 360. And then I set my brows with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. So, for eyes today, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. I actually haven't used this palette in a long time, and it's so gorgeous too. And because this is a very fall friendly palette, we're just gonna use it. Why not? So I want to go for a very I don't know what's wrong with my throat. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I'm going for a very an orange brown smoky eye. I don't know, I don't know how to explain it, but I really hope that I'm able to work the magic to achieve it how I envision it. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows. This is the Fenty Beauty in the shade 360. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And using a flat synthetic brush, let me clean this off because it's definitely dirty. I haven't washed my brushes, and I'm usually really good with washing my brushes. I wash them probably once a week, but I don't really do my makeup that often, so it's not I'm using my brushes every day and I just wash it once a week. But yeah, I haven't washed my brushes yet. Probably gonna do so after I finish. Yeah, you're really loud and I'm filming.
I don't hear them. Oh, while you're on the phone, I call me and ask who do your makeup. Alright, anyway, good night,
Alright, good night.
Uh-huh.
My goodness. So now that I'm done blending that out, my first shade that I want to use is this shade right here. They don't have names. Or do they? Do they have names? They don't. No, they don't have names, which is okay because it's a small palette anyway. So I'm just going to dab that in. I'm going to take a lot. I'm just going to press that into my crease. So for right now, I'm just pressing it into my crease, I'm not blending it or anything, because I really want this color to show. I really want it to be very pigmented. So pressing it into the crease is going to help achieve that. And when I get to the desired amount that I want, then I'll go in and blend around the edges. But I'm still packing it on. And I'm bringing it all the way inside as well, because you want the full eye to look complete. You don't want it to look half done if I just do it up to here. So just keep bringing that all the way in. So now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend around the edges. So to deepen that, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm using like a blending brush for this, and I'm just going to pop that right in the crease as well. Not as high up as I brought the orange, but like, you know, like right in the middle. So I don't know, it's not really doing what I want it to do. So I'm gonna use a darker brown. What would be a good... So it's not really doing what I want it to do, so I'm going to go in with the Proceed with Caution palette by Makeup Shayla and ColourPop. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Maintenance. And I'm going to pop that into my crease. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. I'm still building on that color because I do want it to be very smoky. So now I'm going to take that brush that I used to put on the first shade. I didn't dip back into the palette. This is just like the remaining shadow from, like, you know, when I was first putting it on. And I'm just going to take it and buff around the edges just to, like, you know, bring back that orange effect. Nice transition from the orange into the, like, you know, the burnt red. And I'm going to go back in with this just to continue to deepen it up a little bit more. So now for my lid shade, I want to go in with this dark brown color right here and just really pack that onto my lid. And now I'm going to go back in with the two first shades that I used to bring back that transition. So first I'm going to go back in with Maintenance. And blend that into the crease so it blends in with the brown. And then I'm going to go back in with this orange shade, and I am dipping my brush in it. And I'm just going to apply that around the edges. Like so. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend everything together. Did I have any fallout? I had a little bit of fallout. That in there. So I did have a little bit of fallout. That is going to happen with, like, you know, your shimmer shades and like your really dark pigmented shades. It was honestly just that brown shade that, like, you know, gave me fallout. Okay, so I am done with the eyes for now. Actually, let me blend this a little bit more. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes for now. Let me move on to my face. And I'm going to be priming with the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. And I'm only going to be taking about that much. And I'm going to be color correcting with the True Complexion HD Corrector by Black Radiance. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte. This is in the shade 385. And for concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Golden. Just want to crank it up some. I don't know if I like the applicator for this. It's cute and it does feel nice, but it's like, say if I want like a really precise line, I'm not really gonna get that with that kind of applicator, like how I would with like a wand like this, you know? But I do like that concealer. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. And this is just such a bomb concealer. And now I'm going to contour with the Fenty Beauty matchstick, and this is in the shade Truffle. And I'm just going to contour the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, and my forehead. I'm going to use the foundation brush to blend this out. This is the full coverage foundation brush from Sephora, from their Sephora collection, and I'm in love with this. Like, I'm really in love with how this like blends out foundations and cream products as well, because it just like works so flawlessly. Like, look at that. Whew. Then I'm just gonna go in with the Real Technique sponge and like clean up and really make sure that everything is nice and blended. So to set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Cashew. And this powder is just very messy, I'm not gonna lie. No lie, this powder just smells like baby angels. No lie. So good. To set my contour now, I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the light to medium palette. And I'm just going to take these two dark shades. First, you want to stamp it in. And then you want to work in that motion. Hold on, let me turn my lights down because the sun is going down. So I have to turn my lights down just a little bit because the sun is going down and I was like looking a little washed out. So I'm also going to take a big fluffy brush and go into those two shades again and kind of like work it all over my face to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Okay, so now I just want to like contour my nose, and I'm going to go in with this middle shade right here. Okay, so to finish the eyes, I just want to go back in with this shade right here. And I want to like bring it out some so it's more of like a blown out effect. So I'm just gonna like flick my brush. Like so, and then I'm just going in with a blending brush to just make sure everything is all blended together. And I'm also going to drag it along like my bottom lash line, but just on the outer V of the bottom lash line, if that makes sense. Like just right here. So now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, this one right here, and I'm going to take Maintenance and pull that into like the middle of my lash line. Let me set my face because it's super hot. Like, I don't know, like 1 minute it's cold, next minute summer's like, hey, I'm back, like go, like leave, we don't want you anymore. So I'm gonna spray my face with the Milani setting spray because I'm sweating and I need this makeup to like be good, all the way good. So now I'm going to take this shade and run it along underneath. I'm going to apply my wing liner off camera and I'll be right back. So I did a little small wing liner, and the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Girl's Best Friend lashes. This is in the shade GBF, and they're just super, super pretty. While that dries, I'm going to apply some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I'm going to apply it both to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to take a black liner and just tight line. So the lash glue is still drying, so I'm just going to move on to blush. And this is the Milani Blush Baked Blush Powder in the shade Rose d'Oro. It's number 2. And I'm just going to pop that onto my cheeks. Okay, so next I am going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take this gold shade right here and pop that into my inner tear ducts. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to keep it dark. So I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Espresso. Yeah, Espresso. And the lipstick that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick, and this is in the shade Composer. So here's the final look, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I did want to get cute and like close this video out, but I'm doing laundry, so this is what you guys are gonna get. So I think this is like a very, very pretty brown smoky eye, very sultry, just giving me all type of fall vibes. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed how this look came out. So go ahead, leave a thumbs up, comment down, let me know like what other looks you want me to bring to the channel, and I will see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching.